This song is for the CC Strummers. It's called I Saw One of Them Flying Saucasers. And I saw Roger Miller perform this song on one of those old time musical variety shows like decades ago. And I happened to have my little tape recorder handy and recorded it and learned the song and played it at my gigs. And I thought it'd be really fun to share with you guys. It's from the point of view of a little kid who's seen something a little strange happening up in the sky. We're in the key of F. The starting note is F. And our groove is a shuffle at 130 beats per minute. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I was coming from a Sunday night meeting, walking home all alone, a heart full of joy. I heard a funny sound, and when I looked around, I saw one of them things. I saw one of them flying saucasers. Everything they say in the paper is true. I saw one of them flying saucasers. I'm kinda scared of them things. Ain't you? Well, I know I'm just a kid, but I remember what I did. I saw something up in the air. I won't try to fool ya, we'll tell it to ya. Some kind of funny going on up there. I saw one of them flying saucasers. Everything they say in the paper is true. I saw one of them flying saucasers. I'm kinda scared of them things. Ain't you? It had red lights, green lights, white lights, yellow lights, blue lights, purple lights, striped lights too. Had a lot of little men running round the side of them. Wop-bop-a-doo, bop-a-doo. I saw one of them flying saucasers. Everything they say in the paper is true. I saw one of them flying saucasers. I'm kinda scared of them things. Ain't you? Well, I guess I better stop before somebody calls a cop. I'm just a little pesky kid, I don't know what to do. But when you're laying in your bed and things are flying overhead, I know this is gonna sorta bother you too. I saw one of them flying saucasers. Everything they say in the paper is true. I saw one of them flying saucasers. I'm kinda scared of them things. Ain't you? Let's talk about that Twilight Zone lick that I put at the end of this arrangement. I'm going to show you how to do it if you play a low G ukulele and if you play a high G ukulele. It's two different fingerings and notes to play this. First of all, let's just get to know how the melody, how this particular melody goes, and hum it with me. La 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 la. The actual notes are C, C sharp, C, G sharp. You can play this in any key, you're not locked into this, but because I'm doing this song in F and this lick is in the minor key, I'm doing it over the harmony of an F minor chord. So when we're playing this with a low G, we're doing it all in the first fret over two strings, the G string and the C string. And as far as the left hand is concerned, I'm taking my index finger and I'm placing it in the first fret on the G string, and I'm leaving it there through the entire motif. It just stays put and pressed in. So most of the action is taking place on the C string. So you play an open C, and then press in your middle finger to that first fret C string. That's a C sharp. Then you let go of your middle finger and then pluck the G string. La, 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 la. Now, as far as my right hand technique is concerned, what I'm gravitating towards is using these two fingers. My thumb is plucking down on the G string, and my index finger is plucking up on the C string. So it's da, 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 da. You may find another way that works better for you. You might want to just use your thumb for both notes. It's fine. Or use one of your fingers or several fingers. You find what works for you. So that's the low G tuning way of doing this lick. So I wanted to find a way that those of you who have high G can play this as well. So I asked myself, well, okay, the notes that I need are C, C sharp, and a G sharp. Where else that's close by can I find those notes? So I went to the A string and the E string. So this lick will be now over this E string and the A string, the two lower strings. So with my index finger, I'm pressing in on the 3rd fret. This lick, by the way, will cover 2 frets, the 3rd and the 4th fret. So I'm pressing in, that note is a C, yeah? We all know how to play a C chord. Well, there's the root, there's C right there. And I'm holding it in place. That one stays glued down through the motif. Now with my middle finger, I am pressing in on the 4th fret, A string, and then releasing. So la, la, la. There's 3/4 of the lick. La, la, la. Now that next note, we're going to go to the E string, to the 4th fret. That's that G sharp note. So it's la, 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 la. So you notice how my middle finger is toggling back and forth between the A string and the E string. So just watch. And with my right hand, I'm just using my thumb. La, 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 la. Watch my left hand. La, 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 la. Now, another way to finger this, if you want, is to press in our index finger, press in the middle finger in the 4th fret on the E string. And you're going to keep those two fingers locked down. So now we're going to bring our ring finger to the party. So watch this. La, ring finger, la, 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 la. So this is pretty efficient because this fingering is efficient because only one finger is moving. The others are in place or static. So you can watch my left hand. Da, 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 da. That might work for some of you. Da, 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 da. So have fun and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.